Hi everybody, this is Ken Moss hanging out here at the Kingdom Photo Booth Factory getting ready for Mobile Beat in Las Vegas, Nevada. I can't wait to see you out there and I hope you'll join me for our seminar on Tuesday, February 4th at 3 o'clock in the Grand Hall. We're going to talk all about the new trends in the photo booth industry and we're going to help you make more money with whatever photo booth you may already be using. Or if you don't have one and you want to add this vital new revenue stream to your disc jockey business, we're going to show you an easy and simple way how to do that as well. We've got lots of exciting information to share with you, and one thing I can't wait to show you is our brand new photo booth, unlike any other booth you've ever seen. It's going to make an impact on you, and it will make an impact on your clients. Can't wait to see you out there. Hope you have a fantastic Christmas, and we'll see you in Las Vegas.